So we will take one question. This is following is the receipt and payment account of a charitable dispensary. Question number 29. Charitable dispensary. And we have to prepare income and expenditure account for the year 2019, 31st March 2019. Consumable item for a dispensary is medicine. So medicine purchased is given in the receipt and payment account. And in the additional information about medicine is given opening stock and closing stock. So you know consumable item में क्या करते हैं opening stock and closing. Opening stock is added, closing stock is subtracted, along with 4 other adjustments which I have told you. In this, only 2 are given. So first of all, we will prepare a opening balance sheet. Okay, opening balance sheet. Subscription of 1500 is still in arrear for the year ended 31st March 2018. Outstanding subscription of the previous year. और किस किस के पास नहीं है बुक हमारे पास? तो ऐसा करो, I will give you one question from my book. तब सही रहेगा ना? कहाँ गई मेरी बुक? That will be better. Write down question. एक कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव सा क्वेश्चन देते हैं तुम्हें जिसमें काफी पॉइंट कवर हो. I will give the question by myself now, and then a question which is suitable for the board exam. 6 marks question will be asked in the board from NPO, full length question, and it is a not very big question. Okay, additional information adjustments are also not too much, not too many in that. Okay. Following is the receipt and payment account. Please note down the question. Note down the question. Following is the receipt and payment account of literary club. Literary club. Following is the receipt and payment account of literary club. Receipt side, receipt and payment account. Receipt side लिखिए पहले. Debit side to balance brought down 19950 19,950. 19,950. Be quick. No repetition. Subscription, two subscription. Previous year, current year and next year, 3 year का दिया हुआ है. 1200, 26,500 and 500. 1200, 26,500 of current year and 500 of the next year. Year है 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17. Right? 14, 15 is the 15, 16 is the current year. 15, 16 is the current year. Sale of old newspaper 1250. Sale of old newspaper 1250. Government grants 10,000. Sale of old furniture. Sale of old furniture. Book value is 7,000. It is sold for 5,700. Sale of old furniture. Sale of old furniture. Book value 7,000. It is sold for 5,700. 5,700. Last, interest on fixed deposit 450. Total 63,150. Debit side total 63,150. Credit side salary 3,000. Jaldi jaldi. Newspaper 2050. Short में electricity 1,000. Electricity 1,000. Fixed deposit 20,000. Write in brackets, fixed deposit was on 1/7/2015. Right? 1st of July, it is 7/2015 at the rate of 9% per annum. Interest on investment, fixed deposit is 9% per annum. Books 10,600. Books. Rent 6,800. Rent is 6,800. Furniture 10,500. 10,550. Furniture. Balance carried down 11,200. Newspaper 2050. Additional information. Additional information. Number 1, subscription outstanding on 31st March 2015. Subscription outstanding on 31st March 2015 were 2,000. Were 2,000. And on 31st March 2016, and subscription outstanding on 31st March 2016 was 2,500. Second, (31st March 2016) salary outstanding was 600. On 31st March 2016, salary outstanding was 600 and rent outstanding was 1200. Rent outstanding was 1200. Number third, club owned furniture 15,000. Club owned furniture 15,000 and books worth rupees 7,000. Books worth rupees 7,000 on 1st April 2015. 1st April 2015. So start with the preparation of opening balance sheet to calculate capital fund, then income and expenditure account, and then closing balance sheet. Let us see. The first item to be written from the receipt and payment account is cash. Balance of cash. Balance of cash. How much? 19,950. Then the outstanding subscription. Then club had furniture 15,000 and books. Furniture 15,000. Books 7,000. Anything else? This is the 43,950 is the capital fund balancing figure. The opening balance of cash, subscription of the current year, the previous year, then furniture and book is given. Now we put here income and expenditure account. 2016. We start with the subscription. Very important. By subscription 28,200. 28,200 is the total subscription received during the year. Now we have to make the adjustments. इसमें पिछले साल में कितना है? लेस outstanding at the beginning. Outstanding at the beginning will be subtracted. Outstanding subscription at the beginning is subtracted. That is how much? 1200. Advance at the end. Outstanding of the current year. ठीक है? पिछले साल आउटस्टैंडिंग था 2000, उसमें से 1200 मिल गया, कितना बचा? 800. और इस साल टोटल आउटस्टैंडिंग है 2500, उसमें 800 इज ऑफ प्रीवियस ईयर, तो 1700 इज ऑफ करंट ईयर. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है दिस पॉइंट. 1700 outstanding subscription of the current year is not given separately in the question. What is the point? That previous year subscription was 2000 outstanding. Can you see in the additional information? Previous year subscription is 2000 outstanding, and in the receipt and payment account you see 1200 is received out of 2000. It means previous year 800 outstanding still, and in the additional information you see in the current year total outstanding subscription is 2500, which includes 800 of the previous year also. It means this year's subscription outstanding is only 1700. This point is of 1 marks. 1.5 marks का आप वो बना चुके हैं, या 1 मार्क्स की ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट. 1 नंबर लगभग यहां मिल जाएगा. इसमें से ये माइनस कर देंगे आप. ओके. फिर है आपका बाय सेल ऑफ न्यूज़पेपर. $1,250 by government grants by interest on FD, fixed deposit. This is also important point. 9% on into 6 by 12 into 6 by 12. This interest on investment, that is fixed deposit, आपको मिलना 9%. 9% on 20,000 in 1800 for the whole year. Investment was done on, so it means only for 6 month interest will be received, that is 900 rupees. हाँ हाँ हाँ, ओके ओके, कितना आ गया? Interest on fixed deposit for 9 months. Fixed deposit for 9 months. 1350, 1350. उसमें से इंटरेस्ट रिसीव्ड लेस इंटरेस्ट उसमें से 400 लिखा है, 450 रिसिप्ट एंड पेमेंट अकाउंट में दिया, इज ऑलरेडी रिसीव्ड, तो बचे 900, ये एक्रूड है. क्या 900 मिला नहीं है अभी हमें? मिलेगा, मिलना है, दैट इज एक्रूड इंटरेस्ट. आई बात समझ में? हाँ जी, वर्किंग नोट में आपको दिखाना पड़ेगा. In the working note you have to show 900 accrued interest आया ना. क्लोजिंग बैलेंस शीट में आप जब एक्रूड इंटरेस्ट दिखाएंगे तो पता नहीं चलेगा कहां से है?
उसकी वैल्यू बैलेंस शीट से कम हो जाएगी, प्रॉफिट लॉस में दिखा देंगे, लॉस हो जाएगा.
सैलरी outstanding salary is given 3,600. To newspapers 2050. Electricity 1,000. Rent outstanding rent 8,000. क्वेश्चन इधर देखो. लॉस on sale of furniture 7,000 था, 5,700 में आपने बेचा. निकालो जरा कितना आ रहा है। सरप्लस निकालिए कितना आ रहा है। Surplus, please calculate how much it is. Excess of income over expenditure. Income over expenditure. You can see income is 40,800. Expenditure is very less. Debt किस पे लगेगा भाई? Expenditure ये माइनस कीजिए from the income and you get surplus. Income and expenditure account, mostly income and expenditure account is of 3 marks, okay? Sometimes 3.5 marks also, 4 marks also, not more than that, because sometimes opening balance sheet like this in this question is of 1 mark. Closing will be of 1.5 or 2 marks. And the remaining will be income and expenditure account. कितना रहा है? सरप्लस नहीं निकला अभी तक कितना रहा?
Sir, it's 24,850.
माइनस दिस, ये कितना अमाउंट है? 3, 2, 5, 6, 14, 15, 16,000 के आसपास है। 40,000 में से 16,000 समथिंग माइनस करके तुम्हारा करना।
24,850.
हाउ मच?
24,850.
तो समझे, सामने बैठने से कुछ नहीं होता है, तुक्के बढ़ा रहे। 24,850 ओवरऑल में तुम्हें दिख नहीं रहा है? 3, 2, 5, 6 और 8, 14 और 15, 16 समथिंग है वहां पर वो ऑलरेडी। 40,850 is the surplus. Now we prepare closing balance sheet. Yeah, please. This is a very simple average question probable for board exam. That is why I am solving it. I will send it in the group also, the question also and the solution also. You can just go through again, and questions of similar nature you can practice for the board exam. Then the closing balance sheet. Balance sheet as at 31st cash 11,200. Be quick. 11,200 is the cash. Subscription पिछले साल का बचा था कितना? 800. और इस साल का बचा है कितना? We are showing the outstanding subscription separately, though it is given combined 2,500 in the question additional information, but we are showing it separately that it is 800 of the previous year. Previous year 2,000 was due, Mansa. Out of that 1,200 was received. So again, how much is due? 800 of the previous year and 1,700 of the current year. Don't take 2,500 of the current year and 800 of the previous year altogether, making that is a mistake there. It includes the total subscription given outstanding of the current year. During the current year is including the subscription of the previous year also. 9% FD, 20,000. And Arslan, that is why we had calculated that accrued interest 900. We have to write here now. Accrued interest 900. We have already calculated in working notes. Books. We had books of 7,000. We purchased 10,000 and then total is furniture. We had furniture of 15 and we sold furniture of 7,000, no? And also we purchased at 10,000. $10,500 है 10,500 है क्वेश्चन में सही करो This is the asset side. Total it salary outstanding 600, rent outstanding 1,200, advance subscription was there 500. Capital fund 43,500 था and surplus
The capital fund is 43,550.
asset side total
So 70,700.
70,700 चेक कर लीजिए ये आ रहा है 70,700
So capital fund is 43,550.
50
Yes, sir.
वेरी गुड वो वहां सबको दिखाई दे रहा है तुम्हें नहीं दिखाई दे रहा सामने बैठ के यू सी Archie is able to see from there so closely 43,550 capital fund surplus we have already calculated so it means it is correct the total
Let's
हाँ तो 950 बोला बोला ना कितना बोला बेटा 950 है
550 बोला
ओके वहां 500 लिखा था ना हमने 950 है टोटल करो ना बेटी
okay, sir.
तुम क्या वहां पर वो कर रहे हो
So the answer will come only by 550 only.
तो हमने गलत लिखा होगा उस टाइम पे.
Yes, sir.
43,550. 43,550. Capital fund, please correct it. It is 43,550. अब ये आपका सही है. 70,700. चेक कर लो, टोटल कर लो असेट साइड का.
सर कैश इन हैंड कितना?
कौन से वाले में?
सर इसी में ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट.
19,550.
हाँ तो सही है सर.
950 लिख दिया था. कोई बात नहीं, इट इज ए कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक. 19,550 था, वो हमने 950 से किया था, इसलिए गड़बड़ हो गई. Got it? So this is a question. If you can do it within 15 minutes in the boards also, then 6 marks are for sure. One question of 4 marks from NPO will be there related to consumable item, fund based accounting और सब्सक्रिप्शन. सब्सक्रिप्शन के चांस बहुत कम है. कंज्यूमेबल आइटम और फंड बेस्ड अकाउंटिंग 4 marks. If not of 4 marks, it will be 3 marks and 1 mark will be objective type question. I will send the question and this whole solution format again in the group. Now we will revise chapter number 2 in business. Come back after some time for the next class. Thank you.